Elsa. Elsa.
You think it's Elsa?
Whoa.
Ah!
Welcome to Ryan Toy Review. Hi, Daddy.
Hey Ryan, what are you gonna do today?
Today we're gonna open Advent calendar through 5 through 8.
Yeah, from day 5 through day 8. Ooh, wonder what we're gonna get. These are the toys we got last time on the last video.
I'm very excited.
You excited on the Hot Wheel one? Oh, these are cool. Ah. Which one you want to open first?
This one. Because I bet this is a sticker.
You think the day 5 is sticker?
See what it is. Wow.
Let me see. This is the sticker Ryan got.
That's cool.
Yeah, the name is Salt Shaker. What are we gonna open next? Thomas Mini? Oh, nice. Day 5 is right here.
Whoa.
What you got?
Wow.
Let me see. Ooh. Ah! So Ryan got Spencer.
Spencer.
Yeah, it's Spencer. Super cool. Okay, Ryan, which one you want to open next? That one? Okay. Please open the day 5. Yeah. Which Disney character is it?
I don't know.
Hope you get a boy. Ooh,
No, it's a girl.
it's a girl? Who is she?
It's almost like Elsa. Elsa.
You think it's Elsa?
But her hair's tied in a... What? It's not Elsa.
Let me see.
It's Tinkerbell.
It's Tinkerbell? Oh yeah, because she has a wing on her back.
Let's open 5.
Alright, I wonder what you get.
I hope we get a boy.
Yeah.
I gotta open this thing. A snowman.
It's a snowman? Let me see. Ah, snowman! Okay, kids. These are what we got for day 5. Let's do day 6. You wanna do the Hot Wheel first?
Kids, I think we'll get a Hot Wheel because it's big.
You think so?
Oh,
it is Hot Wheel.
Whoa, this is cool.
Ooh, nice red color. Let's open Thomas Mini next. Can you find 6? Where's 6?
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa!
What is it?
We got a Thomas Racer.
Thomas Racer? Whoa, that's cool. Hey Thomas. Alright, find number 6 please. Where's 6?
I already found.
You already found it? Okay. Yeah, that's right.
You
Okay.
can also see the 6th one and the number 1.
Aha, because you can see from the top a little bit, you can peek. What is it?
It's Goofy.
It's Goofy?
He's just wearing a different hat.
Ooh. Let me see.
His face looks like it, but it's not Goofy.
Yeah, this is Goofy. Hey, Goofy! Little people next.
Here we go. Number 6.
That's 9. Around
I
here.
already see it.
Okay. Yeah. That's where dog is. Do you think you get a dog because the picture is dog?
No, I don't think so. Especially, this is a cat.
You think it's a, oh, it's a cat?
It's a cat.
You get a cat! Huh?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
I thought you told me that's cat. It's meow, right? Is it cat or dog? I'm confused now. Which one?
Meow.
Alright kids, these are what we got for day 6. Yeah. Ryan was super happy because he got Racing Thomas.
Let's see where day 7. Kids, did you find day 7 yet?
Day 7.
Ooh, that's pretty big. Maybe it's a car.
It's a car or maybe even truck. What is it?
It's a skateboard.
A skateboard? Let me see. Oh, it's a slate.
And sleighs don't have wheels. And it also has the word wheel, Hot Wheel.
That's cool.
Wait.
Oh, you can put the car in there? Yeah.
Just stuck the wheel right there. Well, the wheel gets stuck. And then
Oh, that's funny.
I didn't know you could do that
Yeah.
anyways.
That's cool.
Day 7.
Let's do day 7.
Oh, I already found day 7.
You found day 7 already? What is it?
It's the guy that wants to get Thomas.
Wants to get Thomas.
Yeah, but it's one of Diesel friends.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's one of their friends.
Let's see. Ooh, he has a beard.
Yeah, but he's a bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
Yeah.
Okay, kids. What is his name? If you know, please tell us. I don't know his name. I'm gonna guess his name is Beardy. Beardy.
He has a beard.
Yeah, he has a beard.
Well, I'm gonna call him Beer Man.
Beer man.
These ones the best because they don't mix it up.
Yeah. All right, day 7, Simpson.
What is this?
What is it?
This looks like it's either an Daniel Tiger
I don't think it's from Daniel Tiger.
or that kitty cat. That cat.
Let's see, it's a kitty cat. It looks like a cat. It looks like a, yeah, it looks like a cat. Let's go ask mommy. Let's see what she thinks this is.
Mommy, what's your name?
We couldn't figure out. Do you know?
And even that other bad guy train, we just called him Beer and Beer.
Oh, I don't know who this is. Isn't it from the Aristocats? I have no idea. If you guys know, let us know.
Let me see. Even mommy doesn't know. Okay, let's open the Little People, day 7. Day 7, yeah, that one.
Pretty much it's a person.
You think it's a person?
What?
What
It's
is
a
that?
snowball.
With a snowball? Whoa. So you can throw at it? Can you roll it? Oh, it's bouncy. A little bit. Ah!
I like the ball.
Yeah, I like it. Oh! Ah! Alright, so these are what we got.
The snowball's on the sleigh. That's for cars, I thought.
I know, but I thought it's cool on the sleigh. So day 8 is the last one for this video. Hopefully you get the good ones.
Oh, day 8.
Alright, let's do the Hot Wheel.
Yep. Oh, I know what Hot Wheel is. Is this Hot Wheel?
That's a Hot Wheel?
See?
Oh, that one? Oh, you got this one? Let me see. At least you didn't get a sticker. Good. Alright.
We did get it.
Nice. That's pretty cool.
Guys, I wonder when we're gonna get this big car.
Which one? Oh, that one. Yeah, with the Santa Claus on it. Thomas Mini, day 8. Alright, let's open it.
That's cool. Ooh.
Oh, we see the wheel. It's green color.
Oh, I know what this is. It's almost like Gator.
The gator?
Yep, it's Gator.
Yay! At least something we know.
Thomas's friend.
Thomas' friend? I thought every engine is Thomas' friend.
Not every engine. Gordon doesn't like Thomas.
Oh, really? The gator.
Half Gator.
Cool. Okay, day 8 Simpson.
We got Chipmunk.
Chipmunk? Oh, it's a Chip and Dale? Chip?
Chip or Dale? We don't know.
Yeah, Chip and Dale is hard to tell.
Because if they have two names, it's hard because they're
Yeah.
both squirrels.
I know.
Now I'll call this one Dale.
Dale? You think it's Dale?
Yeah.
Hey, Dale.
Day 8.
Day 8. Little people, day 8.
Do you see it already?
Oh, I saw it.
Yeah, I see it. Next to 22.
Yeah, let's open it.
This one's easy to open. A snowball!
Snowball? Oh, snowball again?
Yeah, see at the back says.
Oh, you're supposed to get 2 snowballs. Oh, okay.
Oh, and a Busca reindeer too.
Yeah, that's exciting. So these guys are what we got for this video. For Thomas, Advent calendar, and those 4 from Little People. And these are what we got for Hot Wheels and Disney Simpson.
And the best I like is this one.
You like the sleigh the most?
Yeah. He has jets, so he can make the sleigh fast.
Oh wow, that's cool. Whoa, I didn't even see. Oh, I didn't even see. Alright kids, I hope you liked all the toys we got today.
Bye, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more Advent calendar by Ron, please subscribe.